Alright.
This was the sketchiest ride I've done in ages.
Yeah.
Sketchy as.
Looks like it.
So they're fastened on with velcro.
Cunning use of velcro straps.
Thank you, yeah. See, secure. Gangles wheels.
Gangles wheels.
As you can tell, I still have a bit of a cold. Welcome to today's video. Welcome to Bicycle Richmond. Lawrence is late.
Welcome to Bicycle. It's not Bicycle Richmond.
Oh, yeah. Lawrence is late.
He said he's going to be 10 minutes.
So it's going to be half an hour.
Don't waff at my fucking customers.
Daisy's new bike is going to be the most pimp first bike ever. My first bike was like this big and it had baked beans painted on it.
Your current bike's that big.
It doesn't have baked beans painted on it though, does it?
I didn't even see that.
How's it going, man?
Concentrating so much and going down.
How have we not fallen down these stairs here?
Hello. How did that even happen? That's not even a bar twist. What is
Scratched
that?
it with. Oh, it's a mate. That's a huge dent.
That's aluminium as well, so that's impressive. How?
I put this bike on a train about 2 years ago to
Yeah.
go to Bath, and some dickless piece of shit dropped something on it.
Did it drop like a fucking axe or something?
So yeah, I mean it's alright, it's aluminium, it'll be alright.
Buff out.
Too big.
Well, I bought the bike based on a fit that was done for me a few years ago, and then I started practicing what I preach and realised that this fitter had set myself too high. Still rides well.
Not gonna name any names, are we, James?
Not going to name any names. Might be one of your title sponsors, but...
You jealous of Daisy's wheels, mate?
4 years ago, these were the wheels I have. And they still are pretty good, mate. Where's the skewers?
Running without skewers, they're extra light, aren't they?
They are extra light. Only 200 grams for the front wheel.
God, it's quite good value for money, isn't it? Sick.
What are you doing, mate?
Just helping to grow this moss a little bit. Mate, just sitting on some logs. What I'm actually doing, Francis, is I'm looking at the weather for Calpe and like shedding a little tear by the fact that I'm not out there yet.
You could be out. I thought you were going to go.
I will be out there, but it's got some business to do in the UK, isn't it? Basically, we were riding along, Francis, and we were just discussing about the fact that we both make videos and we've both been like the best of friends since like, I don't know, 2012 or before even, and we don't make enough videos together. And you agreed. We should live 20 minutes from each other.
Why do we not message each other? And then I see you out on a ride, like Windsor Cake Run or whatever. I'm like, hang on, why am I sat at home?
Working on that, aren't we? But right now, we wanted to ask you guys for some ideas of like, what can we do together in terms of videos? Like, what could we do in terms of our videos?
I think we need to exploit your knowledge of training and modern training. Talk about the sort of plans you get set by your pro team. Because training has changed a lot since we used to do it.
You'd come back to it now this year and we'd be training it almost completely differently than 4 years ago. It's kind of crazy.
Yeah. I want to know, life of a pro cyclist.
We can do this. We can make this whole stream of episodes, mate.
The only problem with that idea is that I have to keep up with Lawrence on a training ride. It's longer than just doing 2 laps of the park.
Mini laps, no less.
What's that?
It's got mould on it.
Why did you pick it up?
Because I didn't see the mould.
It's like that day you picked up a pine cone.
Oh mate, I regret
Yosemite.
that so much. This is the biggest pine cone I've ever seen. It was like the size of my head, yeah. So I was like, oh, I gotta pick that up.
And your hand was so sticky.
Because it wouldn't come off again. It was just stuck to me, and then I had like gunk all over me. I just wiped it all over myself, and I just had stickiness.
That's kind of how feral we were by the time we reached Yosemite though.
And I was very angry that day. Upset.
Because you had to ride over 100 miles.
Again, for like the 5th time in a row. Just wanted to say you. Sorry, there's a car right behind. There's loads of cars out today. What's going on? Done 99 videos, and my next video will be in my 100th. So
what's it going to be?
It's going to fit in really perfectly. It's going to be a roundup. It's going to be like basically a roundup on the last year and what you can expect over the next year.
If for some reason you don't subscribe to Lawrence, you probably should. He started making videos about the same time as me. We've been in it together. I'll put a link down below to his channel. You should follow him. Right, first ride back. Bit of progress. Cold is getting better. Really beautiful day. Cannot wait for summer. So Daisy's out. Apparently I'm incapable of making portions for one person. So over the last few days, I've been trying to shake this cold. I did actually ride up to London once, but I was trying to keep my heart rate as low as possible. But really, I should have just tried to stay indoors, not do any riding. It's a shame the only real proper way to recover from a chesty cough is outright rest. I'm just about over it anyway, and legs felt pretty good on the ride. Even though it was super slow, it does the trick mentally. Even if it helps you getting better by a tiny little bit, I think it's worth it for the morale. I know you guys are going to ask in the comments. Bikes are still on the way. I'm awaiting the postman, and I can't wait to show you when they turn up. In the meantime, do let me know in the comments if you want me and Lawrence to make more videos together. Basically, if we go riding together, it's just going to end up with me suffering because of how strong he is. Then again, I do need some training before Calpay. Right, it's time to go catch a movie. Hey.
Stop following me! I really enjoyed the girl at the end of our aisle that was putting on deodorant, shining her phone torch the whole movie.
Like this.
When I told her off, she told me it really pisses her off that people tell her off, or something like that.
So this is very bright light in my face, which is similar to what the cinema had to offer today. So we had these complete at the end of our row, who first were really noisy, then they were spraying deodorant, and then they finished it off with shining a phone light trying to look for something. That's 3 out of 5 senses. All in all though, Bumblebee, pretty decent movie, way better than the other Transformers films.
Way better than Aquaman. Who wears jeans underwater?